Hi, it's James and welcome back to another video from Binks Balustrades. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Easyfit 1.5 kN frameless balustrade track. This frameless balustrade system has all the benefits of the Posyglaze system which we have previously reviewed. However, it has the extra benefit of being able to be installed from one side only. This balustrade system also has the benefits of gaining 1.5 kN line loading with 21.5 toughened laminate glass. It has great adjustability in terms of its leveling performance. It's usable in almost every type of balustrade application, so a domestic, commercial, steel, concrete or timber. You can use it in any single application. It's really simple to use and you can install it from one side only, so it can be done from ground floor up to 50th floor if needed. You can powder coat this track system in any colour that you want that's available, and you can still fit it without any loss of tolerances. So even though you need no specialised tools to fit this system, there are a couple of downsides in my opinion. This track is a little bit more industrial and not quite got the finesse of the Q-rail or the on-level systems. It still uses the knock-on trims instead of using the rolling gaskets, so in terms of fitment it's not quite there. And getting hold of this system is really difficult. There is limited suppliers in the UK, to my knowledge only one, which is B&M Architectural Steelwork in Sheffield. The online fitting and information that is available online for most of the other systems, this system doesn't have any to my findings whatsoever. I really struggle to get any technical information or any product information about this system online. So as part of this system, you get the base shoe, you get the internal and the external gasket, you get a trim for either side internally and externally, and then you get these glass retaining shoes. Now, the good thing about these glass retaining shoes are they have a really strong bolt on one side for fixing it and leveling it. Again, no specialised tools whatsoever, just a 19mm spanner, dead simple to use, and it feels absolutely strong as anything when you're installing it. So these shoes go inside the track. They have a radius back on one side and a radius part on the track inside. They go approximately 250mm centres. So approximately in between every bolt is an easy way of looking at it. This system comes in a 3 metre length with a 3 metre track kit, so you get everything you need for 3 metres worth of balustrade basically. So you get the external bead and the external gasket. The gasket slides into the trim nice and easy. And then you install the external beading. Just clips on nice and easy down like that. Once you've installed the external bead, we're then ready to fit the glass. So again, no specialised tools needed, 19mm spanner and a spirit level. That's it, nice and levelled. So you then fit the internal beading on the internal gasket. Again, slides in nice and easy. That just tucks into the glass. And with a nylon hammer, just knock the beading on. So as you can see, this system is really simple to fit, really well made. Like I say, a little bit industrial for most of the domestic market, but absolutely perfect. Really good system, and we really do recommend using it. If you have any questions about the system that we've explained in the video today, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk. Head over to the website or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next video.